rebuilt this transmission and we installed it. We put we go to start the thing up. We put it into driver reverse. It instantly kills the motor. Okay, it's not what this car came in there for. So it's something that we built into it, and we're trying to figure out why. Technician decided to grab a scanner, put the scanner on, and what he noticed is the converter slip was showing 0, but the computer command was off. Well, if the computer slip, or if the slip is at 0, but the command is off, slip at 0 means the clutch is on for some reason, but the computer is not controlling that. So it's a mechanical issue that happened out with this thing. Talking with the technician, we find out that he put the converter in horizontally, which we're all used to. We've been doing it like that for years, putting converters in horizontally. Well, the problem is on these type of converters, that seal that we see right over here, okay, is only held on by these 4 little crimps, dimples, center punch, however you want to call it, okay? Now, what happens is, and I put that, we got that on page 54, okay? What happens is when we go to install the converters the conventional way, as I said, we're all used to it, okay? Horizontally, and we're put a little, say, pressure to one side. The tech also told us that he had a problem putting this converter in. I don't know if we were forcing it or whatever. What ended up happening is the seal ends up popping out. And that is the seal that was on this converter. He had it cut open to check it out. And what happened was when he went to go put the converter in horizontally, either the seal wasn't in correctly since he was having a hard time, or the way we were putting the converter in caused that seal to pop out. When that seal pops out, what happens is fluid automatically goes to that clutch. When we put it into driver reverse, stalls the motor because that clutch is on when it's not supposed to be on. Okay, so that's what happened on this thing. Okay, when we put the converter in and pushing the seal out of its pocket, causing the clutch to be applied all the time as soon as we put it in gear. This I'm just showing you what the inside of the converter looks like. It has a backing plate that's kind of supposed to hold that seal in, but there's enough gap back there will cause the seal to pop out. Okay, now this is not inside our books, but for those of you who remember, in 2015, we're showing you how we should install these converters, okay? What we need to do is make up some sort of tool, stand the transmission on its backside so the pump and input shaft are facing the ceiling, grab the converter, and go in vertically. When we're going in vertically, we're going straight on. We're not putting any strain on the input shaft, which will throw the alignment off, which can push out that seal. Okay, it's just an easier way. We're going to save ourselves a lot of headaches. I know it's going to be tough to do it this way, kind of like we have to reprogram ourselves. We've been doing converters like this for years, putting them, the conventional way, horizontally. Now we need to start rethinking it. It's just something that we have to go with at this point.
Thank you for watching. For all confirmed fix videos and unlimited technical support, become an ATSG member, your transmission tech solution. Click the membership link below.